Hey, what's up guys? Oh lord, look at let me take this off 1 second. Yeah, I thought I was within, but no ways. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy today. I don't know why. Well, I woke up right. So today I filmed this gorgeous look, if I do say so myself. I'm very happy because I did plan like half of it, and then your girl just started freestyling, you know what I'm saying? Jokes aside, but that's loud. No, jokes aside, I did actually I had an idea in mind, and it was actually just going to be like a full burgundy, mahogany, whatever this color is, and then the green at the bottom. But all of a sudden I was like, no, you gotta add some more. So take a look, see. So yeah, this is the finished look that I did. I actually wasn't going to put this on YouTube. I was just gonna put this on my Instagram, and that's why it's not a talk through, not a chit chat. I've also got like not really anything to say, but I was just like, you know what, this is cute. Plus, let me wet this hair 1 second again. Man. I can actually talk while I'm doing this. I just thought that, like, no, I don't want to deprive you guys, my YouTube small and Yana family, from seeing the look. So I was like, you know what, let me just kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna post this up on Instagram and on YouTube. Color yellow my eyes are. Yeah, so anyway, this is the final look that I did today. I actually did use two lips, so I used this one. This is actually a no-name brand. I'm gonna tell you guys, I always tell the YouTube family what's going on. This is Kiss Beauty CC lipstick, and it's in the shade 7. Literally, like, this lipstick is, I did get it back at home, but it's probably the equivalent of like $2 that I paid for this. And I also did a glossy lip. I'm really into like a nude glossy or like a pink glossy lip. That is my, like, it's my new signature. I'm doing like new because I've been wearing it for a couple of months, but I absolutely love how that looks. It also just plays down whatever dramatic eye that I've done, but I'm actually also really feeling this lip. So fall friendly. It's also good, like, it's just good. I mean, it matches the crop top. Come on, man, come on, louder. British way. Anyway, that's all I've got to say. I don't have much to say today. Like I said, this was for Instagram and not for YouTube, but I'm blessing you guys no less. I didn't have earrings in. No, I need earrings. Gotta have earrings in, man. So if you guys do like the look that I created, please do remember to like, please do remember to comment, and please do remember to subscribe. Why did I? Nah, sis, not that kind of party. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm super gassed today. It's probably because when I look at the mirror, I'm like, girl, is that you? Is that you? You do this? I do have to say that I am doing makeup on myself. I don't want to say more regularly because back at home I did also wear it very often, but I'm just focusing more. Let me say this. I'm focusing more on the actual technique as opposed to just like making sure there's glitter, making sure there's a savage highlight, like making sure it's popping. I'm trying to like get the placement right. I'm trying to just work on technique, basically. That's my point. So yeah, that's all I've got to say, and I've said that like 5 times over. I know that, forgive me, but until we meet again next time, guys, bye.